Hi friends, welcome to Math Hero. Today, let's talk about a geometric question. Here we have two squares with the side length of 6 and 4. Can you solve the shaded area? Okay, let's get started. The first way is that we could use a big trapezoid minus two small triangles. You see, the area of the trapezoid equals to half times the sum of both base times the total height. And the area of the left right angle triangle can be calculated as half times 6 squared since it's also isosceles. Likewise, we will use the same way to calculate the area of the right triangle. At this point, everything is straightforward. The answer will be the area of the trapezoid minus the area of both triangles, which gives us 24. But can we solve it smarter? Of course. Let's look at the diagram more carefully. You see, the right angle triangle highlighted in green is also isosceles, so the angle highlighted is 45 degrees. This is same for the angle highlighted in the red. Since in the bottom line, both angles highlighted in green and red are 45 degrees, the angle in the middle must be 90 degrees. This means that the shaded area is a right angle triangle as well. And the final answer will be straightforward. But do we have another smarter way? The answer is still yes. We all know that as long as the base and the height of a triangle is the same, the area is constant. So we can deform the triangle by moving the vertex parallel to the base while the area is still the same. So we will create a helper square whose side length is also 4 and two parallel purple helper lines which cross the base and the vertex of the shaded area respectively. As you see, regardless of how the vertex moves, as long as the vertex moves parallel to the base, the area is still the same. At this point, the shaded area can be calculated by redefining the base and the height. If you enjoy it, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Stay curious about math and see you next time.